Hey, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am back with the SQL interview questions and answers, which has been asked into the interview of the Amazon, and it is for the data analytics and data engineering round. So it is a very basic and intermediate level of SQL questions, and if you are preparing for the SQL interview, you can definitely consider watching this video so that you get a brief understanding of how the SQL questions has been asked into the interview and how they do evaluation of the candidate. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started with the first question. The first question is like find the second highest salary from the table. And here we do have the employee table if you see over here. So in the employees table, we have the multiple tables, right? Department of employee, department manager, employee salaries and all. So here they want to see the highest salary from the employees table, right? So here we have the employee table over here, and also we have the salary table over here. So as per the question, we get only salary table because they want to see the second highest salary from the table. Okay, to get the second highest salary, we will first write the query to get salary from the salary table. So that query will be select salary from salaries tables like this, and let's see how it shows the results. So I'll first enable the employee database and then I'll run this query. So here we have the list of salary, though it looks in the greedy form. Then I'll select max of the salary out of this particular table. If I run this query, I get this, right? It is around 158k. Yes, 158.220 salary. Now I want a salary which is lesser than this number. Okay, so I will put down this to the inner query and I'll select star from salaries and then where salary is lesser than max salary of this inner query. So this will be my inner query. This will be my outer query, and if I run this query, let's see the results. So I got results over here, see, but the thing is, it is not in the consistent format, right? They are asking the second highest salary, but now I have many salaries, including the second highest. So now I have to get the max salary out of this. So to achieve that, I will simply write the same query on the outer query, select max salary from the salaries where salary is lesser than the max salary of the actual salary table. So if I run this query, I got an answer. It is 157k dollars. So just to do revalidation, I'll run the inner query, which will show me the highest salary from table, which is 158k. Okay, so this is how you can achieve the second highest salary from the table. And the interview may also ask you to get third highest salary or fourth highest salary. So in that situation, you can use the partition by and order by clauses from the SQL. I will leave this to you. You can explore that option and try to achieve those. Okay, so let's hit on the next question, which is find the employees who have the same salary. Okay, so this one is tricky one because we have a different tables. So here first one is employees table where I have employee details, first name, last name, employee number, and I also have the salary table where I have employee number and salary details over here. Now, as per the question, I will have to do a join between these two tables. Okay, and with that, I can look for the salary. I mean, the employee have the same salary, right? To achieve that, first I will get the this duplicate salaries. Like we have a employee number and the salary. So I will look for the same salary for the different employees. Okay, I'll first achieve this task. So I will write select salary from salaries where where I will okay, first I will have to see the actual table, like how the records are populating. Select star from salaries. Okay, so if I run this query, I have these details over here. If I look closely, I have multiple employee numbers, multiple salaries, multiple from dates. Like from date for each year, this particular employee got increment. So there is no steady or fixed record for a specific employee. So I will filter this question on the level of the year. So I will apply one filter on the year of the from date so that I'll get the salaries for the specific employee for a specific year. Okay, where year of from date equal to, I will, for now I will just put the filter on the 2001 and I run this query. So now I get distinct records for each employee having the same salary line. I will look for the same salary if it is there or not, but I got all the distinct record for a specific year now, right? So now I will look for the salary, I mean the employee number having the same salaries, right? To achieve that, I will apply the group by on the salary, and maybe by that way I get some more details. Okay, group by salary. If I run this query, let's see what it shows. Okay, it is giving me error because I will have to pass some aggregation and a top. Then only it will return me the, but that's fine. Let's put on our second condition, having count of star is greater than 1. Okay, so this will also return because I'll have to pass some aggregation over here first. So I will pass salary, employee number, and let's see if this works. All right. So all right, now what we can do is like I'll first execute the query. I'll select salary from the salary where the from date of year is 2001 and group by salary. So if I execute this particular query only, it will give me the list of all the salaries, okay, with the group by. And let's say if I want to see the total salary duplicates, like how many times that salary is being counted in the table, maybe twice or thrice. So to get that, I will simply put the count star from the salary, and if I run, I see the salary 85,000 is returned three times. I mean, it is three times present in the table. Okay, so this is what we want actually. So to get that, I'll filter on this single counting. Put the condition like having count star is greater than one, and if I run this query now, it will give me the salaries which is same across different employee IDs, right? Now I got the salaries, right? I got the salaries. Now I want the first name, last name of the employee from the table, right? So to get that, I'll have to first join this table of employee and the salary, right? And to get that joined, I will have to put the join condition on the employee number, right? So let's do that first. So this will be a part of our inner query now. So I will try to put that somewhere inside, and let me hit on this workplace. Okay, now select e dot empid comma e dot first name comma e dot last name comma s dot salary from employees having alias as e. Then I'll put the join condition, um, join salaries as on e dot emp number equal to s dot emp number. Okay, now here is the tricky part. Now I had to put the where condition on the top of join because I had to pass this as an inner query. So if I run this query, you get, okay, I'm getting error because something is wrong with the join condition. Employee number. All right, let's run this query now. So I got the result of the join, right? And I have the salary. Now I have to look for the result of this salary into this particular. So I'll put where condition here, where yes dot salary is present in this inner joint or not, I mean the inner query or not. So this will give me the actual answer. There could be some issues. Okay, this count is not to be here because it is expecting the salary is expecting a single output from the inner query. So that's the only reason behind it. So I got the answer here. If you see, these particular employees have similar salaries, right? So this is what the output look like, and hope this answer your query. All right. So let's hit on the next question. So our third question is about calculating the running total of the sales. Okay, so we do have the sales table, and under the sales table we have ID, product name, category, subcategory, purchase days, amount, sale, month name, and a customer name, and all that detail, right? So as per the question, we have to write the query to get running total of the cell, and running total it should be across the purchase date, right? So let's dig into it and see how we can achieve these results. Okay, so as per the question, we have a sales table, right? So first I will query the sales table, and we'll see how the data is look like, right? So here we have purchase ID, product name, category, subcategory, and all this detail. And this one is our main column. The amount is mentioned, and rest of the details are not useful as per the question. Okay. So to get the running total, we will need a purchase date because we are going to calculate it's across the purchase date. Okay. So let's write the query, hit enter or select star. Let's skip star. Then sum of amount. Okay. But now here's the tricky part. We have to make it over order by purchase date. Okay. Ads running cells. So if I execute this query, I get result. But if you see clearly over here, I see running cell is 10,000 to 28 consistently, and this supposed to be the uh, running total of amount, right? Like 288 supposed to be at the first place, then 288 plus 696 sum will be at the second place, but it is aggregating everything, and which is not our main goal, right? If you see purchase date is it is aggregating on the level of purchase date, right? But we also have to include some more detail to get those on the row level. So we do have ID which is unique, so we can include ID over here into the query in order by purchase date and ID. And to get this results a bit clear, I'll simply pass amount just to do a cross validation. All right, so it looks better now. So first amount is 972, running total of sale is 972. 972 plus 173 is 1146 in the second row, and likewise we are getting the running total of the cells. So this is how you can calculate the running total of the cells. So that's all for the day. Hope you found this video useful. Hit a thumbs up button, and if you have any question, doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Till then, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.